Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can add music to your TikTok videos. Now go to your TikTok profile and tap on the plus icon at the bottom. And then once you're here, just tap on the add sound on top of the screen. And this would allow you access to TikTok's extensive library of music and sounds. And here you can just choose whatever music or sound you'd like. And you can even choose from its playlist. So for example, I tap on vlog. And here's the list of the music that I can choose from. And if you want to hear a sample of the clip, then just tap on the play icon on the music. And for example, you want to use this music, just tap on the name of the music and the check icon on the right. And there you have it. If you've decided you don't want to use this music and you want to change it for another one, just tap on the X beside the music icon. And there you go. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.